Alrighty, welcome back to Ghoster Coasters, everybody, and today we have a fun new animation out of the peninsula with Cedar Point releasing their animated POV of Siren's Curse. But first, go smash that subscribe button right now and join our spooky community. If you love all things Cedar Point, then what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now, and a huge shout out goes out to all of our channel members and producers of the channel. Thank you guys for all being a part of the community. We couldn't do this without you. We love hanging out at the parks with you guys, and we really can't wait till this season to ride some new rides with you. Now, getting to this new point of view from Siren's Curse. This ride looks phenomenal, everybody. I want to hear what you guys are thinking. Drop your comments down below and let me know what you're thinking about the point of view if you've seen it already. If not, we're going to get into that right now because this tilt is so cool looking. I mean, some people had this ranked pretty high, anticipation wise going into the season, but watching this point of view now where you just hit that little tilt, the anticipation builds a little bit, and then all of a sudden you're about to drop into the track, and then you just watch this point of view and it looks insane. Absolutely. You drop, you hit that little twist, you go over like an airtime hill. It's like a reverse Immelman, basically, airtime hill dive loop thing. It's really cool. My anticipation for this ride is through the roof, everybody. Look at these low to the ground elements here. And of course, we're going to get the first triple down into a tunnel at Cedar Point. It doesn't get much better than that. This whole thing looks like a lot of fun, whipping around and everything. Similar to Maverick, but New Age Vekoma. I mean, who can't get behind New Age Vekoma at Cedar Point? The ride's nearly 2 minutes long, 58 miles per hour, 160 feet in the air, and we're going to get some cool onboard audio and LED lighting, which are also first at Cedar Point. It's going to be great to see all of these things coming to the park, and personally, this ride looks to be a top 5 ride at Cedar Point to me. I just think it's going to be one of my favorites, and I cannot wait to ride this thing this season. They say it's supposed to open by summer of 2025, so here we go, guys. This season we should get it sometime. I'm expecting Top Thrill 2 first and then Siren's Curse, but the park could surprise us all and open them both same time. We never know, but it does say expected to open in the summer, so I would expect Cedar Point to open that sometime the end of May, June, maybe even July, right by July 4th, but I think that's a little late to be opening it. We'll see. The ride looks phenomenal. Let me know what you guys think down below, because I honestly cannot wait to get on this ride and get my first experience on Siren's Curse. And are you guys going to go front row or back row? I mean, I'm personally thinking back row because I want to be all the way up. But front row would be pretty cool too, to see the end of the track and not know what's going to happen next. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. It's up to you guys. Where do you want to ride on Siren's Curse? How excited are you for this? Are you excited that Cedar Point got this ride? I know a lot of people think it should have gone elsewhere, but personally, I love that Cedar Point got another addition to the park after COVID and those layoffs and the Wild Mouse. There wasn't a lot, so getting Top Thrill 2 and then a new coaster that wasn't even supposed to be there is pretty fun for me. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. It greatly helps the YouTube video against the algorithm. And of course, as always, thank you for being a part of our spooky community and for coaster ghosting with Ghoster Coasters. We can't wait to see you this season, everybody.